let's discuss some practical things on how we can optimize our sprint planning sessions. The most important in these sessions actually is to have a specific goal and to start refining our backlog. This includes displaying all the items, having a top priority from the top to the bottom, giving possible time frames within which we would like them to be fulfilled. Of course, we are not trying to predict those timings. That's why I don't use the word estimates, but more of a promises and commitments, because we don't know yet how much time the actual tasks will take. In this regard, it's best to show the backlog in an initial session before the sprint planning to the team. And with this, our developers will be more customized to what they are going to expect. They also can suggest their own estimations or ideas based on the things that needs to be done. Also, in this phase, we need to be able to emphasis on what we're building and why we're building it. If we are very clear in this phase, the developers can take also informed decisions over the technologies and approaches that they would like to include while creating the product. Because otherwise, if they don't know beforehand what they'll be doing, but just it's a bunch of features, in the next sprint, for example, they might discover that they need to change drastically the architecture or the way they are programming the code. And this could have been prevented if they knew clearly from the start towards what extent the project could be expanded. This also can leave a room for them to contribute with their knowledge, because they're the experts of the best and latest technology that they are comfortable with to be used in the project. Another optimized feature is to be able to have and to leave buffer time between the sprints. Now, usually the minimum is around 20%, but of course you can extend this time. Otherwise, if the project is too complicated and the items cannot fit within the time frame of one sprint, and we already have set the planning for the next one, they will overlap the items, and this will overcrowd or overstuff the developers with work. And actually, this buffer will enable the delivery of proper milestones items. And the last tip that I would like to share is during the process of sprint planning to be able to ensure specific time not only for development of new features, but also for clearing technological debt. Keep in mind that it's normal for the projects to have such debt, but if it's tackled little by little on each and every sprint, instead of hindering the developers, the code will be kept more and more up to date, and they'll be feeling more in control of the old code, which will be little by little refactored. Thank you.